Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on economic thought of classical, neoclassical, Keynesian, socialist and modern economists. Question number 1. Who is regarded as the father of economics? A. Karl Marx, B. Adam Smith, C. Alfred Marshall, D. David Ricardo. Answer is B. Adam Smith. Adam Smith, through his book An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations in 1776, laid the foundation of classical economics and free market principles. The concept of invisible hand introduced by Smith explains how individuals pursuing their self-interest can lead to special benefit. Question number 2. Which book is considered the foundation of classical economics? A. Das Kapital, B. General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, C. Wealth of Nations, D. Principles of Economics. Answer is C. Wealth of Nations. Written by Adam Smith in 1776, this book introduced ideas like division of labor, specialization, and the role of markets. Division of labor in modern factories where different workers specialize in different tasks to increase productivity. Question number 3. The iron law of wages is associated with which economist? A. Thomas Malthus, B. David Ricardo, C. Karl Marx, D. J.S. Mill. Answer is B. David Ricardo. Ricardo argued that wages tend to gravitate towards the subsistence level because population growth offsets wage increases. In underdeveloped economies, when wages rise, population often grows, keeping wages near survival level. Question number 4. Who introduced the concept of surplus value? A. Adam Smith, B. Karl Marx, C. Alfred Marshall, D. Keynes. Answer is B. Karl Marx. Marx's theory of surplus value explains how capitalists extract profit by paying workers less than the value of what they produce. A factory worker produces goods worth ₹1,000 but is paid ₹500. The remaining is surplus value for the capitalist. Question number 5. Who is associated with the theory of population growth? A. J.S. Mill, B. Adam Smith, C. Thomas Malthus, D. Alfred Marshall. Answer is C. Thomas Malthus. In his essay on Principle of Population in 1798, Malthus argued that population grows faster than food supply, leading to